So, good morning everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Sapna. So, today we are going to solve another question on PDF. Let's see what is that question. Let fx is equal to a plus bx if x is in this range 0 else we have b is pdf of a random variable x if expectation of x is equal to 3 by 2, then find the values of A and B. So let's see its solution. First, fx is PDF. We have we have minus infinity to plus infinity fx dx is equal to 1. So we can break this integral minus infinity to 1 fx dx plus 1 to 2 fx dx plus 2 to infinity fx dx is equal to 1. Now minus infinity to 1, it is 0. So I can put 0 here. 1 to 2, what is this? A plus bx dx 2 to infinity 0 dx is equal to 1. So this part is 0. And what is the integral of this? Ax plus bx is square by 2, 1 to 2, and this part is also 0. And this part is this, so it is finally 1. What we got? 2a plus b2 square 2 minus a plus b by 2 is equal to 1. So what is this? This is 2a, and this will be 2 will be cancelled out. 2b minus a minus b by 2 is equal to 1. After solving it, what you will get? A plus 3 by 2b is equal to 1. Let's see it one. Next, also, next also given that expectation of is equal to 3 by 2. So what is the formula for expectation? Minus infinity to infinity x fx dx is equal to 3 by 2. Again, we can break this integral minus infinity to 1 x fx dx plus 1 to 2 x fx dx plus 2 to infinity x fx dx is equal to 3 by 2. So what is this? Minus infinity to 1 x into 0 dx 1 to 2 x a plus bx dx plus 2 to infinity x into 0 dx is equal to 3 by 2. So this part is going to be 0 plus What is this from 1 to 2? Ax plus bx square dx plus this part again going to be 0. It is going to. So what is this? This is 1 by like 1 to 2. We can take integral. What is this? This is ax square by 2 plus bx cubed by 3 1 to 2. It is by 2. So what is this? B plus square by 2 b over q upon 3 minus a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So what is this? 2 times it will cancel out 2a plus 8a by 3 minus a by 2 minus b by 3 equal to 3 by 2. So what is this? This is 8b by 3. That means 3a by 2 plus 7b by 3 3 by 2. So we can this is 3 by 2. Multiplying both the sides by 2 by 3 we get what we get a plus multiplying both the sides by 2 by 3 we get what we get 14b by 9 is equal to 1. Let's see it 2. So subtracting subtracting 1 from 2 we get what we get a plus 14 b by 9 minus b plus b by 3b by 2. Let me check what multiplication 1. 1 minus 1. So a will be cancelled out. This is 0. So this is 14 b by 9 minus 3b by 2. So after solving this, what you will get? Multiply 27 b. B by is equal to 0, that means B is equal to 0. From 1, we have A plus 3B by 2 is equal to 1. This implies A plus 0 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 1. Finally, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. This is the answer in this question. So if you like this question, you can comment on my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's question. Thank you. We will see you in next.